Hi Pearl. I have a Hampton Bay Solar umbrella with a crank lift system that has broken. Is there a replacement part for it?
Have you talked to an electrician about your Hampton Bay?
No. It does not connect to power.
How long has this been going on with your Hampton Bay unit? What have you tried so far?
This is an outside 11 feet solar umbrella. We have had it for several years.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The umbrella seems fine, just not able to crank up the umbrella any longer. This is not an electrical type unit, it is an outside Hampton Bay Solar umbrella model #UX01601C.
Hello, my name is I will be happy to answer your home improvement or electrical question. 1. Hampton Bay is a brand sold only at Home Depot. 2. Unfortunately, you will not be able to locate any replacement parts for the Hampton Bay product line. Home Depot does not sell replacement parts. All of the Hampton Bay products are manufactured in China under various company names, and none of them sell Hampton Bay replacement parts. They only sell brand new products. If you contact Home Depot customer service, they will be of no assistance to you. Does that help to answer your question?
It does. Thank you.
Okay, very good. No problem, glad to assist. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off so I can receive credit for answering your question. Thanks. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.